Hi everyone, this is Cafeccino. I'm Ramshanadeem, back with another tutorial. This time it's a really popular drink, Pina Colada. So it's super simple to make. All you need to do is add all the ingredients into a blender and blend them all together. So into a blender or a ice crusher, add in some cream. This adds like richness to your drink. Add in some lemon juice. This will add a little tart to your drink. And by the way, the ingredient list along with the quantities is listed in the description box below, so do check that out over there. Also add in some pineapples and some coconut cream powder. So cream is more intense in flavor, the dried powder, so that's why I'm adding that instead of that liquid coconut milk or cream. Also add in some really nice and chill pineapple juice in it, and that's it. Put on the lid and blend these ingredients first. So it's a really nice tropical drink, really loved by everyone. So do check this out, do try it, and let me know how it turned out for you. I'm not adding any sugar into it because it doesn't need, to be very honest. Pineapple juice is already quite sweet and I don't feel like adding sugar into it. You just don't add sugar in your drinks, it just ruins that taste. Add in some ice cubes and give it one last mix so it's really nice and chill. So once that's done, serve it into a glass, a nice tall glass with a pineapple ring at the side. The classic serving, or you can go with some extraordinary, exceptional serving by serving it into a coconut shell, just like I'm doing over here. Serve this chill and make sure your coconut shell don't have any cracks so it might not leak. Putting in a steel metal straw, and first look at this. Yeah, we're done. Hope you liked the tutorial. Do let me know what you guys want me to make next. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, link is in the description box. Subscribe for new video every Friday, and as always, eat, drink and think. Bye guys.